This is the new Proxy Core, a fully featured Puffco proxy in the most discreet and portable form factor yet. We've always set out to make the proxy the most modular device for dabbing, and the Proxy Core takes the possibilities even further, making it more accessible than ever before. Let's get one of these open and talk about what's in the box. It comes with the proxy base the same as any other proxy. Core cup, core mouthpiece, 3 terp pearls that we'll talk about more in a minute, and a joystick cap so you can adapt your proxy to all the existing proxy glass. If you're already a proxy owner, don't worry, the Proxy Core comes as an accessory kit as well. The accessory kit comes with everything you need to turn your proxy into a Proxy Core. We made the proxy to be modular, and the proxy can become anything you want it to be. But the one clear limitation that Proxy had is while it is an extremely portable device, you have to put it into something to be able to use it, exiting through the bottom. That is no more. Now you can actually hit your proxy the same way you hit a pivot, with a much bigger dab and much more vapor. This has all of the temperature controls, all of the light controls. Anything that you can do from within the Puffco app, you can now do for something that can easily fit in your pocket. You don't have to go with the pre-existing settings anymore. You can choose your own experience and you can take it anywhere. I've long said that the Proxy is my favorite hitting device amongst all Puffco products. Love my Proxy, man. I love my Proxy. And the reason for that is flavor specifically. I believe the flavor that I can get from a Proxy is unmatched on any device on the market, including ours. And this takes it up a level. It's giving a hit that is so rich with vapor that I haven't left a Proxy Core hit without being extremely satiated. It's something I keep returning to over and over again throughout the day. We designed the Core's air path to work specifically with terp pearls, spinning them to maximize your clouds and giving your dabs a satisfying rumble. They give you a clear indication that you are hitting your device exactly as it was intended to be hit. They give you a tactile feeling and a rumble that is just so satisfying. On top of being extremely functional, they spread oil all over your bowl, leading to better vapor when you're hitting it just right. You know, one of my favorite things about the Proxy Core is how durable it is, how it is something that you can easily drop and not worry about your glass breaking. It's something that you can actually put in your pocket and take everywhere. It doesn't get a ton of attention. Previously, it really was just the pivot that you can use that didn't have any glass attachments that you needed to keep it functional. But now, there's something way more powerful, way more robust, and way heavier hitting. And so this isn't just about durability, it's about leveling up your experience in a way that will be hard to disappoint you. And so what the Proxy Core has done is make the most portable and discreet proxy ever. For the eagle-eyed viewers, you might have noticed something else looks a little different. Today, we're also launching an updated hot knife, fully redesigned, and now sturdier with a new tip to help you get every last bit out of your jars. Just like every other Puffco device, we've added a triple click feature to check battery life so it's always ready. We're so excited to see where glass artists in the hash community take the Proxy Core, but what do you guys think? Let us know down in the comments and tune into our keynote stream to get all your questions answered. Thanks for watching and see you next time.